Welcome everyone to my art corner. If you are returning, so glad you're back. For those who are new, I'm glad you're joining me. I'm Kathy. Today, I will be creating an ink and watercolor elegant flamingo. I have done a rough sketch in pencil of the flamingo standing in the water. I'll start with ink in the areas where I want solid black, and then erase the pencil lines, so they are as faint as possible. Then, I will add in the watercolor. Okay, let's get started on this lovely bird. If you haven't subscribed, you can do that now. If you have subscribed, thank you so much. My next video will be an adorable seal pup. I'm very excited to get started on that. I will be using just one color, and of course waterproof ink. My ink lines are not straight. I'm more like sketching on the ink. I have finished with the ink for now. Now, it's time to erase the pencil lines until they are barely visible. With that done, it's time to add the watercolor. I'll be using the wet on wet and wet on dry techniques. Let's see how pretty we can make this flamingo. I have to apologize. My camera timed out on me, so of course a whole section is missing. I hate when that happens. I get so involved in painting, I forget to look up at the timer. I guess I need to use the timer on my phone. But, as you can see, I used wet on dry for the impression of feathers, and for the water I used wet on wet, which has given it a misty quality. With that said, let's move on. I'll let this dry, and be back. So, I'm finished with the base colors. Now adding in more saturated and darkening colors to increase the depth and contrast to the painting. Here, I'm doing some color blending with clear water. You do this after the painting is dry, to remove the hard edges and blend 2 or more colors together for a soft look. If that's your preference, I do it in some areas and not others. There are no hard and fast rules. How do you like my flamingo so far? If you do, hit the thumbs up and like. I'm adding some reflections and shadows in the water of the flamingo's legs and body to give more dimension to the painting. Now completed with the second layer. I'll let it dry and come back to add in more color, water ripples and impression of aquatic plants. I am really loving the black and pink contrasts on this elegant flamingo. Let's see what other additions we can add. Alright, let's get this flamingo finished up, with a few more additions. I'm going to use this brush-style ink pen that came in the set of pens to add more water ripples and water vegetation. So, what do you think of the Flamingo with the limited color palette? What colors would you use? Leave me a comment and let me know. Here, before I forget, the pro tip. Choosing waterproof ink. Use a waterproof archival quality ink to prevent smudging when applying watercolor. Popular choices include India ink, platinum carbon ink, or waterproof fine liners like Micron or Unipin. There, just the last touch. I love the look of the abstract, elegant flamingo. Sometimes, less is more. In the next video, I will be creating a painting with one color of the cutest seal pup you've ever seen. Thank you for joining me here in my art corner. I hope you will come back again. Have a wonderful day and happy painting.